Alright, this is my Air air rifle. My dad gave it to me. He's had it since he was 16, he's now something like 36, so yeah, it's 20 years old. I'm going to be firing it in a minute, but yeah, I'm just going to show you how to cock it and things like that. Right here, you've got like the cocking thing for the air. You pull that right down, then once the air is filled, you'll know when that is. Yeah, push it back up. You put your pellets, which are 1.77, into the actual like cocking bit. That's where the pellets go. Right, Jack. Alright, you pull this back, and that's where all the pellets go. I've got blunt pellets, so they won't be penetrating anything. Put them in to the little thing that you cock, like that. So the little tip blunt bit is facing away from you when it goes into the rifle, facing that way. So I'm just going to load mine up now. It's can hold 5 pellets at a time, and you have to cock after every shot. It's not semi-automatic, it's kind of like bolt action, but it's an air rifle, so. As you might tell in this video, I've got quite a lot of planes going over my house. I live near Southend Airport. Alright, put all the pellets back. I'm going to be shooting at that target there. It's pretty hard to see, but alright, once you've got all the pellets in the little thing, you right, because this air rifle has got a big bit in the middle, that's for BBs, you it's best to put the whichever pellet is going in the middle, cock that one up first, because it keeps dropping out. Oh, I keep dropping it. Right, and it should just cock like that. Pull it back. Right, the pellet should be in that middle bit, but I've already cocked it. It will be back the whole time while you're sorting out your pellets. Then you push it forward when the pellet's in. My air rifle is pretty old, so when I do it, I might have to tilt it, which is usually upside down. The sights of this little hole here, my sights are pretty bugged, so I don't trust mine. That would be what it looks like when you're aiming down the sight. You're aiming at that little thing down there. So my sights really are bugged, so you to be honest, I have to aim slightly under where I want to shoot. Alright, to air cock it, I've got to put the camera down. Pull that bit down. you push it back up. Alright. Put the safety catch on, which mine always has the safety catch on unless I'm firing. This magazine here, it's useless. All you do is store a couple of things in it, pellets or BBs or whatever you're using. By the way, if any of you are wondering if this is an M16, it's based on the M16A1, which was used in Vietnam by the Americans. And they stopped making these in 1980 something because they look so much like the M16s. So yeah, I'm going to be shooting it now.